March 17th. We are currently, if you are in New York, if you are in the States, honestly anywhere in the world at this point, you are practically in quarantine because of this whole coronavirus thing. So I am home vlogging, but today Nasi is actually coming over and we are going to be trying to make macaroons together. I know you guys really want to see like more cooking videos, so I figured why not? I'm home from work, I have nothing else to do, let's try to make macaroons. So that's essentially what this video is going to be about. I'm just here putting on a little bit of makeup, and by a little bit I clearly mean a lot, so we can film that video. Nasi is late per usual. So she's supposed to be here at 2:30. It's 2:15. She just texted me she's gonna be a little bit late, so that's actually fine because I'm still doing my makeup anyway. So yeah, I just figured I'd come on here. I was like, why didn't I even film me getting ready? That would have been perfect for the vlog, but I honestly just forgot, and my camera needed to charge anyway. So I'm just popping on some lashes. These are actually my lashes from my collab with Luxotic Eyelashes. These are in the style Miss WK. If you guys want to purchase them, I will be linking them down below. I do also have like I think it's a 10% off coupon code for her site. Her lashes are incredible too, especially mine. Just saying. Also, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I purchased this like kind of knockoff beauty blender sponge. It's from Shop Miss A, I believe, and the sponge was literally like less than $2. So this is what it looks like when it's already wet and everything. When it's dry, it's a little bit smaller, like probably half the size. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Like, I feel like it's not too hard, it's not too soft, it's kind of the perfect consistency, well, like, you know, touch hardness, but I don't know, when I put my foundation on, like, I feel like I have a little bit of like dots on my chin. I don't know what that is, or if my skin is just kind of doing something today. So I don't know, I have to keep testing this out and I will let you guys know, but as of right now I'm like on the fence. I don't know if I love it. I don't hate it. All right, I'm gonna line my lips here with my Wet n Wild gel lip liner. This is in the shade Gone Burgundy. I'm gonna go into this Wet n Wild matte lipstick. This is in the shade Skinny Dipping. This is a beautiful color. I'm just gonna apply this right in the center. All right, so whenever she decides to come, I will come back on camera. Until then, I'll see you guys then. Girl, go wash your hands. Oh wait, I have to Lysol your ass. Hell no. Come on, look at my face. She literally took 4 hours to get here. I told her 2:30.
It's only 3:30.
It's 3:45. It's practically 4 o'clock. Well, I already kind of started it because I vlogged me getting ready. So, like I said,
well, I'm here
after like 4 hours. So we're gonna be doing macaroons. We're gonna be trying to do them. They're like really complicated to make, so hopefully we don't embarrass ourselves.
I mean, it's okay. I'll probably still eat the end result.
Yeah, the last time I made them, they were really, really sweet. So I hope this one doesn't come out too sweet.
Yeah, I was thinking about that.
Remember when you had them?
They were. I think I did eat all of them.
I think you did. I don't think they came out really good, but she ate them anyway.
I'm the real like MVP. Like, I hold you down.
She does. So I already put like some of the ingredients out already, so we don't have to measure too many things. We're following a recipe that's already on YouTube because we don't know how to make this. So I'll link that video down below because, you know, we're not coming up with this recipe by ourselves. So I think it's literally 1 cup of almond flour, 2 cups of confectionate sugar, which is like icing sugar, which I hope it's the same thing because
it's just powdered sugar.
Yeah, and then like I think a quart, no, I don't even know how much, a pinch of like salt. So I have salt here. So do you want to like sift this, everything in here? Just
you said to sift it all together?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, this is so you sure about this?
So in the meantime, while she's doing that, I have a bowl here with like 3 egg whites. What I have to do is like make a meringue. So I'm gonna like froth this up, and then I have a little bit of sugar. I think it's like 1/4 cup of sugar, and I'm gonna slowly like put this in to the egg whites. Okay, I think we're done. This is like, I guess, stiff peaks here. So the true test. Where are you going? Stop running. The true test is to like put it over your head, and if nothing falls off, that you did something right. So since she took 4 hours to get ready, we're gonna do it with her.
No, but I just did my hair.
It's fine. You normally don't do your hair anyway. Come on.
Just flip it there first, and then we'll do it.
No.
We can edit that part out.
No.
Come on.
We're gonna do this the right way. Girl, get into
We never do things the right way.
Oh my. No, we're good. Look, I'm even shaking it. You're supposed to have like, what is it called? Like color,
The gel.
gel paste type of thing, but we don't have that. But I watched a couple of videos and they said like colored icing is fine. At least I hope it's fine. So that's what we're gonna put in here. This is the color red, so we can have like pink macaroons. Macarons. How do you pronounce them?
I say macaron.
Macaroons. I think the right way to say it is macaron. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this, and you want to mix it and see what the color looks like.
Sure.
Here. Let me add it to this. Ready? Okay, go. Did it change the consistency?
No.
Yes, it did. We have to do this all over again. Okay, so we have to start it over with the egg thing. So give us like 10 minutes. In your world, probably 3 seconds. I won't be right back. Okay, round 2. I think we got it. We're not putting any icing in here because we learned our lesson. That doesn't work. So you want to do the test?
Yes.
She wants to put it over my head.
I would gladly do the test. There we go.
We're good?
Yes.
Okay. So I guess the next thing is to put in the mixture of the
Fold it in.
Yeah, the almond flour and stuff. So let's do that. I think this is where like a lot of people kind of screw up. Like they don't fold it enough or
What
too
did
much.
it say?
Like it has to make like a figure 8. Okay, I think this is the consistency. According to his video, you're supposed to be able to make an 8. Which I can't. You know what an 8 looks like? So if you are a baker watching this, don't come for me, okay? But you could give some tips. We're probably not going to do this again though, so don't. How many idiots does it take to make macaroons? 2. Takes more than 2 apparently. 2 is not enough.
I don't get it. What?
The lighting is actually really good. So we have to wait a couple of like, what, 30 minutes or so for this to like get like a skin. And then we're gonna bake it for like about, I think 17 to 19 minutes at 280 degrees Fahrenheit. So once we bake them, we'll come back and show you guys. What do they look like? They look like cookies. Oh my god, oh my
You know what though?
Oh my
They have
lord.
the consistency.
They do, but they just didn't like
They don't have the shape.
have their feet
Or
anything else. So I don't think we should do the second batch.
I think we should.
Why? They don't
You never know.
Ta-da!
No.
They're good. They don't look the way they're supposed to.
They're actually really good, but they taste good.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it was an epic fail. Any thoughts?
I knew it was going to be a fail to begin with, honestly.
I don't know what we did wrong. I don't know if it was like the eggs weren't room temperature or like I didn't mix it enough, but then I made my 8.
But it could have been the humidity. It could have been the humidity. It could have been anything.
But I probably will try again. I don't know if I'll film it, but
she'll just film it if it comes out like well. You'll see the end result.
Yeah, you'll see it on Instagram, not here on YouTube. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Bye.
Because of you, I get to go strong.